Assalamu alaikum dear all. Today inshallah we're gonna complete solving the triangle using sine law. We have yesterday we have taken how to solve two angles and one side. Two angles and one side. We can solve the triangle side angle or angle side angle. Today inshallah we're gonna solve the triangle if the given is two sides and one angle which is not included. Two sides and one angle which is not included. Yani the angle does not lie between the two sides. We have the given today two sides and the non-included angle. The non-included angle. Actually, we have here four cases in this triangle. Four cases for this triangle. For the triangle given two sides and the non-included angle, we have four cases. These four cases are explained by ambiguous case. The ambiguous case. How to explain this one? Let's consider that the given is A small, the given A small, B small, and angle A. Let's consider that the given is A small, B small, and angle A. In each time, you have to compare between A and B sine A. A and B sine A. Case number one. If A is more than B sine A, B sine A, and A is more than B. A is more than B sine A and A is more than B. We have here one solution, one triangle. We have here one solution or one triangle. So, the first case, if we have A more than B sine A and A more than B and A is greater than B, we have here one triangle. We have here one triangle. Number two, the second case. If A equals B sine A, if A equals B sine A, so we have here also one right triangle. If A equals B sine A, so we have here one right triangle. We have here one right triangle. Number three. If A is less than B sine A, we don't have here any solution. No triangles. This is not triangle. If A is less than B sine A, this is not triangle. Number four. If A, like number one, but we need to change only the sign here. If A is more than B sine A, given A is less than B. Here A is more than B, A is less than B. So we have here two possible triangles. I know it's a little bit confusing, but it's not too hard in solving. Let's start solving example number 3. It says solve a triangle ABC given. Solve triangle ABC given A capital 43 degrees. A small is 81. B small equals 62. Okay, so the given, according to the ambiguous case, we have here two sides and the non-included angle. So, step number one, you have to compare between A and B, then A and B sine A. So, I'm going to compare here A and B sine A. A is 83. It's 81. let's know يعني it's more than or less than or equal to B sine A, 62 sine 43. So let's get 62 sine 43, 62 sine 43 equals 42.2. So this one is more, so A is more than B sine A till now, and A is more than B, and A is more than B. So this is first case. A is more than B sine A, and A is more than B. So we have here only one triangle. Now we can start solving by applying sine law. So we have here one triangle, one solution. So A small over sine A equals B small over sine B equals C small over sine C. Let's do not forget to write here A capital, B capital, C capital, A small, B small, C small. So write here A capital, 43 degrees. B capital is unknown, C capital is unknown. A small is 81, B small is 62. Then do substitution here. A small 81 over sine A sine 43 equals B small 62 over sine B equals C small over sine C, both unknown. خلاص, do not write the last ratio. Do cross multiply here. We can do cross multiply here. So B 81 times sine B, 81 sine B equals 62 sine 43. Then we can divide here by 81. Divide here by 81. You are gonna get sine B equals 62 sine 43 over 81. Now we can get angle B. We can get angle B by taking sine inverse, shift sine -1. This expression 62 sine 43 over 81. Sine inverse, shift sine. We have fraction 62 sine 43 over 81 equals 31.46, 31.5. We can say angle B here. Angle B 31.5 degrees. Write it here in the list. 31.5 degrees. Now we can get angle C. We can get angle C. Angle C will be 180 minus their sum here, 74.5. 74.5. So it's 105.5. 105.5 degrees. Now this is C capital, 105.5. 105.5 degrees. Write C capital here on the original ratio for sine. So I'm gonna write again. I'm gonna write here A, which is 81 over sine A sine 43 equals C small, which is unknown, over sine C 105.5. C 105.5. 105.5 degrees. Now do the cross multiply. We can get C. So C sine 43 equals 81 sine 105.5 degrees. Divide by sine 43 each side. Divide by sine 43. Divide by sine 43. Now C small equals 81 sine 105.5 over sine 43 equals 114.44. 114.45. We can say 114.4. 114.4. So this is C. And now the triangle is solved. This is C, 114.4. 0.4. Now the triangle is solved. So it's your turn on your own, like this one. It says solve on your own. Solve triangle ABC given A 57 degrees, A small 33, and B equals 26. We have here A small, B small, and angle A. So we have two sides and the angle which is not included. So follow the same way. You have to compare between A and B sine A and B sine A. Then if A more than B sine A, and given here A is more than B, so we have one solution, complete using the sine law. Waiting your answers on the WhatsApp.